They probably think you're silly. No, they think you're silly. You're the one waving at them. Yeah, I know, but you're the one controlling my arm and my back and everything else. I don't want to dance. All right, now you're just being ornery. Ornery. Hey, for you Australians, that's like kind of being mean or mischievous. Anyway, we'll get on with it. We love the Falls video from Drip for Thrifters. That was pretty cool. If y'all get a chance, check it out. Check out the channel. And Man Mountain Link, even though, I don't know, you know, Man Mountain Link. But they both growing, so subscribe.
Agree that the use of puppets makes you seem dumb and crazy.
I don't think crazy is a responsible word to use.
It is now. This is crazy. You're being crazy.
Dumbass. Forgot my mask. Can't do that. My cats poop a lot. $3.50. It's only 2 sold. There's a whole bunch listed, but we're gonna take it. So far we got that, this, and that.
Wendy's breakfast. They've been trying to make us do a commercial about it for months. Man, I'm hungry. Those things look good. Bet your ass they do, Morty. That's the breakfast baconator, frosty chino, and honey butter chicken biscuit. Chicken biscuit's a bruiser, Morty. Do not mess with that guy.
Damn. Can't do anything at $25 a piece when I sell them for $35. Definitely not enough profit there for us. It's too bad too, because I had a bunch of them. Alright, well. $2. $2. Mossy oak. $2. I just don't. It says it was $2.97. I don't know. Let me look them up. These smaller piece puzzles are a harder sell. That's why I don't touch them. Occasionally I will get 100 piece if it's a really popular character or something. But Yeah, 24, 48 pieces. I'm not going to touch them. 300 and up, what I like. Preferably Disney. I don't think anything in there I want. So, if you sell on Amazon, you can make a lot of money here in the book section. The thing is, you have to scan the original barcode, not the one they stuck over it. So, I don't sell on Amazon. Anyway, thought I'd come in and check since the cat guy was talking to me on the way up here about all the puzzles he sold. But like I said, I'm not 300 pieces and up for me. Well, I don't see anything. Let's move on. Nothing to resell but 5-ounce blocks of cheese for $1. 8-ounce block will be $2.97 at Walmart. And then these lighters for $1. I've tried them before. They last a pretty good while. But nothing to resell. And only the 1 block of cheese. That's too late. Everybody knows a good deal when they see it. We're here on the shampoo aisle. And there's money to be made if somebody wanted to take like the bubble bath and that and put them together. Some of these other kids. Stuff like that. Finger paste soap. Take one of each color and put it together and sell it for $10 plus shipping or something. There's money to be made if you want to make it.
Shall we?
Well, that's my Dollar Tree haul. Spent $28.35, and I'd say 6 of that was mine. $6 in tax, so $6.60 would have been mine. Otherwise, all I got was the bandanas and some candles. Resell on eBay, and the candles will probably wait till this fall. They're the ones in the jars. Goes a cop. Alright, well, eBay says I have to switch to managed payments by the 15th, and they want a bank account to put my money in, I guess. And I don't want to give them my personal bank account, although I've been using that for PayPal. This would be a damn good time to separate the business from the person. So I'm going to go to a different bank and open up an account to attach to my eBay business. That will also give me a second bank to go get coins from, so that's a plus. But anyway, there's no need for y'all to go with me on that, and you done seen what I bought, so I guess we're going to end it here, and I appreciate you coming with me. And that is a very dangerous FedEx truck. I hate those piggyback trailers. Road trains in Australia are just insane. I mean, just insane. I think the flies are so bad it just makes them crazy. I don't know what it is. Maybe thrifters can tell me. But until that happens, this is Man Mountain Link, and we will catch y'all next time. I appreciate you joining me.
Thank you! Have a good night! Yes, I'm getting it now. You are? No.
Just on the way home here, and thought I'd give a shout out to another Australian, Rory Rocks. I watch his channel because he does not cut black opal cabochons. So, yeah. If you like pretty shiny rocks, and who doesn't, check out Rory Rocks over in Adelaide. Well, hey y'all, it's me again. Just wanted to show you I got my package from the cap guy. It was well protected, and then an Amazon box with eBay tape on it, which always makes me smile. I just want you to look at that man's handwriting. Ain't that some pretty handwriting? I'll tell you what, my handwriting ain't that pretty. I wonder if pretty handwriting goes with the ability to not fix anything more complicated than a cup of coffee. I don't know. I sure wish I could write better. I'd be signing all kinds of stuff. Yep, tell you what. Oh, I like the air pillows too. So you're not really supposed to let the air out for storage. You're really not. You're supposed to leave them puffed up. I know they take up a lot more space when they're puffed up, but they work a lot better too. But this thing was indestructible, so at least he didn't ship it in a poly bag. Nah, I'm just messing. I really do appreciate it, and I'm fixing to run it down to my parent house right now. So this is Man Mountain Link checking out one more time. See ya.
Man Mountain Link, that wasn't nice.
Man Mountain Link has once again totally outdone himself.